Hello my family, wagwan. Welcome back to Shawn again. Wanna know something interesting? When I look on the back end of my channel, I'm seeing where 93% of those who watch the videos weekly aren't yet subscribed. And I wanna get the number to 80%. Listen, subscribing helps the channel way more than you know, so please subscribe if you haven't already, and I promise in return I'll continue to make these videos better and better for you. So today we're on the way back to Portland for a trip to Boston Beach, and I tell you, I'm in love with the beach here because it's just so beautiful and serene. The water reflects a blue tint and the sun is just warm and white. And the trip to Portland is usually a pleasant trip because of the scenery. But I don't want to bore you, so come let me show you.
Shawn again. Like, share, subscribe, call your friend. Me say ya Shawn again, Bring good vibes from the corner them. Shawn again. Like, share, subscribe, call a friend.
Yeah, look how the island pretty. I just drive go back to Portland and come across a stream of water right here, so. Look how people them creative. Look on a little bridge here where they make above the water. I don't know about you, but this look dangerous. I don't think I would go on that. I'm not like heights already. Yeah, I'm not like heights. Heights make me nervous. Yeah, heights make me nervous, man. Yeah, look at that. What a beauty. And some people have some cows right here, so you can see the cows them. Yeah, can water is just a stream. Yeah man, them things are beautiful. Cow them are graze. Beautiful. Anyway, we're gonna head back on the road now and finish the trip. About 2 hours left for go reach Portland. What do you say, people? Test the bridge? I don't test the bridge. I'm gonna test the bridge. Man, I do that. Man. I ain't doing that. Alright, we're back on the road now. I head out to Portland. And it's just something about going to country where I always like. The scenery is just unmatched. I like the greenery, the waters, and the mountains them too. But one thing I feel like I never gonna get used to is the little skinny road them we literally up on the side of the hill. Cause I can't help but think, why if the car run off of the side? Jaja, I rebuke these thoughts in the name of the Lord. So I just reaching a Portland and the GPS still tell me say I have 1 hour for go to reach Boston. So I don't know if that's correct. Anybody who know how drive and drive it all the time, tell me if them that correct. Cause I feel like I 1 hour if it take for reach a Boston, but maybe right, who know? Who know make me know? Alright people, this is Boston Beach in Portland, Jamaica. Look at Chad come down on the beach.
Go on, family.
But there I know my father. Thing good? I know yet. We chat to you, man. Bless. Yeah. How I go on here, so? The sun wash me? They make a what? Oh, that may I see one? Okay. Look how the water nice and beautiful. Yeah, you go all swim? Eh? You go all swim?
Of course, let me bring a good strip.
You can swim?
Yeah.
Who teach you to swim? Eh? Yeah, I wanna see it right here, so I don't know edit out some video.
I'm also teach myself.
Yeah? I wonder what that's over there, so. Yeah. And cove?
I think so. And you see the rock there?
Yeah.
You walk to the road, and there can jump off there.
Oh. Now ask if you want to do your side down there, so. Right, that's a look more shaded right now.
Famous.
Okay. A nice beauty. Yeah man, it's just a simple day today. I have a whole heap of footage I need to edit out, so we're so close to the beach we figure we come down on the beach and edit out what we edit out, you see it? Yeah man, this a time say make the cup them special. Do anything other than cup them?
No, we have the anthem of the world to you. See?
Okay, see there? Ashtray over here so
One
too.
love.
Yeah.
You know, say one love is the anthem of the world.
Right. Look on a cup here. Carve it personal and carve and a machine do this, you know. Yeah, tell them what kind of material make
Well,
this.
these are mystic bamboo, you know.
Mystic bamboo.
Yeah, man.
And straw come with it,
Yeah,
you know.
man.
And that a piece of the bamboo tree?
Here.
The straw, with the straw, bamboo too?
Yeah, definitely.
See it there?
Not imported. You don't know, no Japan, no China, Jamaica thing, you know.
Yeah, man. I can carve. What else I can carve on it?
Anything people want. Anything them want.
Alright,
me, I
hold
design.
this them up artists. Yeah, hold on upon that.
Yeah, man.
So you say you can carve anything for
Anything people want, me can possible like carve anything them want.
name.
Anything. Anything at all. Just say the word.
And where you carve?
No, I use a knife. Knife. That's why I go around with my tool to show people. I don't buy at the imported market.
Right.
I definitely make it. It's a tradition of family wise, but you don't know, say it's like ancestors teach me, so you don't know it pass on. You see me? Yeah. Originally, as me I said, no imported from the people. Yeah.
Other than the ashtray and the cup, that's all you have to
No, me do
right now.
the reggae super shot too, you know.
Reggae super chat.
Yeah, man, the more smaller one them. Them in the back same way. Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, so let me see one of them.
Alright. You know good things take time, don't? Alright.
These are bamboo cup.
Yeah, man.
Taki,
Okay.
the iron name Taki.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this are the reggae super shot.
Hold on.
No, that's why I'm say super.
Man, put it in your top pocket. That's a since you use it.
That's why I say super.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You know anything that's super, it extra.
You can see that it have the hummingbird on it.
Yeah, man. And definitely those two birds meeting together is mean together forever. With true love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coconut tree like that, so. Palm tree.
Yeah, man. And you know what? You know why I put the bird them kiss?
Yeah.
Because guess what? Everything come from the heart, and coconut is the only water will go to your heart.
That is it.
Yeah, man. Same way. Yeah, man. Original.
Super shot now. How this one? How much this one?
Well, art of the world is priceless, but you don't know. Me can negotiate with people when I meet them. You know.
Typically.
Oh, typically. All right. Specifically. All right. Specific. I could do one for like 1,200 Jamaican dollars. Yeah. With initials on it also. Yeah, hold it, man. And that's why it no flood the beach, because I'm the only person who do it.
Yeah. A fox one. I don't think they make sense.
Yes.
Yeah.
So original, very different, not imported. Well, sometimes I'm very mobile with it, you know.
You know, they're on the beach regular.
Not regular.
Oh,
No, me have to spread the love all about, you know.
Me that say you catch me at the wrong time. Cause me feel like me that want one of them cup there, you see it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, but you don't know, you know. Good things always take time, you know, brother.
So like all this though, that cup here, how long it take you?
How long to make?
Can start to finish with that cup here.
Alright.
Not the carving, cut the bamboo.
Now, whole heap of hours.
So just a cup,
Definitely.
5, 6.
No, less, but you don't know. At least hour and a half. Because me have to look upon the good quality.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
Hour and a half. An hour and a half going to make this, so the price is just right. And the I name Taki, so all them find if they want for order, special order, you can maybe ship it off to them and them thing there.
I'm trying to be advanced, but right now I'm not so advanced.
Can number some of them can reach?
Yeah, definitely have a number. Definitely have a number. Definitely have a number. My number is like 1876 417 33 36.
Alright.
Your name is?
Taki.
Taki. Yeah, man. Mystic Maker from Jamaica.
Mystic Maker. Alright, that's where I go. Mystic Maker.
From Jamaica.
That's where I go.
Cause everything come from natural, you know, and natural is mystic. Yeah. And you don't know, say no Japan. No, we not like polluting the atmosphere, you know.
Right.
Yeah. Like the Japanese and the Chinese, them.
Right.
I come with them plastic, and slowly but surely we are going dead because guess what? Now them plastic here, no good for we.
Right.
Right.
You understand? Yeah. So hopefully,
Glass good though.
eh?
Glass good one.
I'm not here.
Glass.
Yeah, me not work with glass, but you see.
Nature.
Yes, that's why first time people before us they live long because they used to work with mostly natural stuff.
Might closer to the water.
Yeah, man. As I was saying, that's why first time people before us they live long because they mostly work with natural stuff. Natural stuff connect to human beings around the world.
So the people then them can order from you, call you, put in an order, send them extra money to ship it off if they live a foreign.
Well, me I try to advance like me I try to advance myself like that. Slowly but surely,
Yeah.
me I try to advance myself like that.
And now someone suppose somebody want all a dozen of them. And they tell them send a piece of food,
Yeah.
send the money for your package it and ship it off. Okay, when package and carry go post office to ship it to them.
Yeah, totally. Me do that. So it's just a link, you know.
Right.
Yeah, it's just a
So they
link.
can contact the other number if they really want one.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, if anything, you the boy place after I was done.
Yeah, frequently. And we have a little empress still. She's from overseas. She always try to highlight me. So if you see me on WhatsApp and you see the empress, me already tell you what I go on. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Same way.
Yeah, man. Respecting attack. One love good. Cut bad ways. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I like it.
Yo, the beach nice, yeah, man. I'm not getting the editing done, but I enjoy the beach. For a while after I done talk to Taki, I there in the water just a swim and a float and just a flow with the waves. And that was just peace. Everything quiet, everything calm, just I hear the waves. Yeah, man. From looking at the water, you see kids just a swim and a play and a enjoy themselves. I evening now, so I'm gonna take a last dive and come go home. Anyways, my people, I 100% recommend this beach. This beach is one of the wonders of the world, and it have tons of shade and tons of space for sit. Not only that, but it kind of feel private in the sense that it's not that packed. You'd have to just experience it for yourself. So yeah, Boston Beach is definitely a vibe, and it should be one of your stops if you ever visit Portland. I'll definitely be back, and I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. But before you go, do me a small favor now. Like this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and share it to a friend that you think would enjoy this video as well. I'm Shawn again, I'm gone again. Stay blessed.